everybody, Fierce Banana 21 here, and today I'll be showing you another mock on three characters from Clash Royale, or cards. The Zap, Goblin / Spear Goblin, and Sparky. Okay, let's start with the Zap. The Zap is actually very simple. It's a light tan stud and two water blue transparent studs. The Goblin / Spear Goblin is very unique. It's a little dagger for Clash Royale Goblin. It has a little bag for the Clash of Clans Goblin. And it has the spears for Spear Goblin and the headband for Spear Goblin. That is the Goblin. And here is the biggest one out of these three, the Sparky. The Sparky is actually built, but most pieces are from the small Lego Creator set, that blue express train. So those pieces are from it. The wheels, and yeah, the coils are actually 4 pearl gold studs on a Travis brick, a dark tan big jumper plate, and a pearl gold cylinder brick. So these are 3 cards from Clash Royale. This has been Fierce Banana 21 out. Bye!